Hey everybody, it's Gary Sarah here with Gary Sarah and Associates. As a continuation of my Vancouver Special renovation blog that I've been doing, today's episode is on, as you can see, fences. I'm gonna turn the camera around here so you can kind of see. So we had some fences done on the house here. I'm gonna walk over this way and you can kind of take a look. Really nice. I'm really happy with the finished product. This is a cedar fence done in a kind of a mid-century modern finish, really clean lines. Right now the fencing is just finished. They haven't actually done any staining or anything, but essentially this is the raw product. So this is a really good quality cedar. And a couple things I just wanted to talk to you guys about today. First off, the property lines I wasn't clear on in terms of exactly where my property line was. So I'm just going to turn the camera here and you can take a look. So these are essentially border posts, and what you have to do is if you don't have a site survey already, then you have to get one done. You can get one for about $1,000. There's different companies that you can call and they'll come and essentially they'll plot out your property line compared to other properties in the neighborhood, and they do an exact schematic of your property. And that's important because you want to maintain good neighbors. I've already met my neighbors and they're really lovely people, but I wanted to make sure that the property line was exactly where we knew where it was, so that when the fencing was built we wouldn't have any issues as to where exactly the line was, where I wasn't encroaching on their property or vice versa. So that would be one of the biggest tips I would give. This fence here is a 4.5-foot fence on this side, and then on the back side of the house it is a 6-foot fence. 6 foot is the highest you can build in the city of Vancouver, and you'd have to want to check your zoning as well, but typically it's 6 feet. And on the front here, because we're facing another street, we did a lower fence. We are going to follow up with landscaping with cedars, probably around 8 feet cedars behind. I'm going to just show you the back fence here, which is done the same way. Really nice. We've got gates up and so on like that. So nice and private, and it'll be a nice finished aesthetic. Finally, once this is cured, we have to have some good weather for a little bit, and then once we've got dry weather, then staining will happen. Probably do it in a nice natural stain to maintain the cedar. The other type of wood that you can do is a treated cedar, which is actually what we've got here in the carport. We wanted to create sort of a privacy in the carport until we build a partial wall. So this is treated cedar here. You can tell it's a little bit darker. It is cheaper. You can sort of see the color difference here. It is cheaper, but it actually does last longer. But I decided to go with just a natural cedar. So hope this helps. Anybody who's looking to build a fence, I hope some of these tips help. And talk to you guys soon.